Hi guys, Fred.Zent here, Guaranty RV Super Centers. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Arctic Fox 992 truck camper. Come on inside and let me show you the camper. So right here we have a power awning. You got your ladder to the roof. It's a full walk-on roof. This is one they advertised with like 34 people on the roof. Your own generator is right here. Now this particular model is a dry bath. On this side here is your slide out. You got your side-by-side dinette. This does fold down, turns into a bed. You got full extension drawers and a cubby here. Double door fridge. And then you got a little slide out pantry. And then when you walk in, you can see the bed up there. You got storage on each side of the bed. You got your stereo control right there. When you walk into the bathroom, Arctic Fox does a really nice job. You can see they use real wood. You got storage above here on the side of the shower. And then we have, you don't have a lot of storage, but Arctic Fox makes the best of the room. They use stainless steel appliances. You got a 3-burner cooktop, your oven, your microwave. It does have the hood combo. Cupboards above. And then you got a couple full extending drawers here. Place for a garbage can, and then you got a nice stainless steel sink. Then right here you got your solar charger, the power to your awning. This is a light dimmer, and then your slide out switch is right here. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2019 Arctic Fox 992, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent. My number is 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.